Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told a customer's monthly water bill was $75.74. And then after a rate increase, it was increased to $79.86. We're asked to the nearest tenth of a percent by what percent did the water bill increase. So the way that we're going to do this is we have the new price minus the original, right? And so this is the difference. This is the change from the original price to the increased price. You're going to divide it by the original. So this is saying in proportional to the original, how much did it change? And then we're not just looking for a proportion, we're looking for a percent. So you have to multiply it by 100, right? So you'll see what that means. 100 times the new is 79.86. And the old is 75.74. We're doing this in relation to the original, so 75.74. So you have 100 times 0.054. That is the value of this fraction. And so that where this is saying that the change is 0.054 times the original value. And to get this into a percentage, we have 100 times that, which gives us 5.4%. And this is saying the difference is 5.4% of the original. In the same way, this is saying this was 0.054 times the original. So your final answer is 5.4%, which means you're going to get to D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.